Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own LLC in North Dakota. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll need to go to the site, and here you get Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us create our own LLC. And what I like about it is how simple it is, how effective it is, and fast it is. So you can actually focus on running the business, making money, generating revenue, providing value for people, and not taking care of how you can start a business, how you can build stuff, but actually building valuable stuff. So here you want to click Start My Business. Then you're going to have LLC and state of formation. You want to find the state here. So North Dakota, and then you see the silver, gold, and platinum version here. Silver is the basic one. Yes, you're gonna have the registered agent, but you're gonna have the preparing, filling the articles here. But with the gold version, you're gonna have not only that, you're gonna have the operating agreement, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, unlimited phone email support, business banking account, all the like juicy stuff here. And then you're gonna also find platinum one, so expedited filling, and that's like, these are the free bonuses in platinum. You're gonna have the business contract templates, expedited filling, so your LLC is going to be filled faster, and domain name and business email. So here you can simply click get the platinum package. With the gold, I can simply click here get the gold package here, and that's what I recommend to do. And then you're gonna add a first name, last name, email address, and then the address here, phone number. North Dakota, and here I'm going to add a number, and then mailing address, city, state, and zip code. And then I would press next here. So when you're going to do it, you're going to have the 3 weeks filling time or 5 business days filling time. That's the like which one you recommend, it's up to you. If you want your LLC have filled faster, you're going to choose the 5 business. If 3 weeks is good for you, you can choose the 3 weeks. Then you're gonna have the LLC name here. So LLC name is the name of the company, and you can name it, let's say, Sunwe Marketing. Then I'm going to choose the designator, which is going to be LLC, let's say, and you're gonna have the Sunwe Marketing LLC. Number of members, owners, I'm going to have 1 here. Business purpose, and here I would add simply marketing service for owners. And then industry keyword, and then you're going to have the marketing consulting services, and then I would add a company address information here. So that's how we do it, and you choose like in the industry here, you choose the keyword. Then I would press next here. Here you're going to have the expedited filling service, so you're going to find that you can upgrade it for premium service package with domain, business email, business contract templates, and everything. So you can have option here to get upgrade and bonus, or no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Then you're going to have the members, so you can represent company or individual, and if you're individual, you just add here the name, street address, and ownership percentage. Then I would press next again. Registered agent information, and here you're gonna have North Dakota requires LLC to appoint a registered agent. So typical document received by a registered agent. So assign Incfile, or I would like to act as my own registered agent. So you have option here, and you can assign Incfile. And then when you have it, you can simply click next again. And then you're gonna have the tax identification number information here. So first name, last name, and SSN number. So you would add the SSN number here, and then physical street address. And when you have all of this, you would click next again. And then you would also add a setting small business banking here. So you can have, please have a Bank of America small business specially contact you, or not at this time. So you can also create a bank account with a small business banking. And when you're gonna have also that, you could click next here. And then free consultation, what you will learn, how your LLC is taxed, everything. This is something that I definitely recommend to have with the Incfile. So yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation for free. And when you got it, click next again. And you see we identified 2 licenses for your consulting business in North Dakota. And you have option that yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications, or no thanks, I'll do the work by myself. So you see the street address, city, everything here, you would provide it right here. And when you go further, you're gonna have the review order for your company. So contact, agent, company member information, and everything here. And when you got it, you would click again next. And then you see the billing information here. So cardholder first, last name, street address, city, and here you would fill it out. And that's pretty much it, how you can start your own LLC in North Dakota. That's how simple it is. And you would just like fill all the information that you need and you're good to go. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye guys. See ya.